Distribution of the potato harvest. The distribution covered 5 areas: Binyoro, Vyanda, Kibasi, Muhora 1, Muhora 2, and Kigama Mutsinda. It was organized based on the beneficiary's age, socio-professional status, and place of residence. The quantities distributed ranged from 50 kg to 1 kg per person. The majority of the beneficiaries are farmers, while some are teachers or students. This approach ensures that different age groups from young adults to elderly people are included. In Binyoro Vyanda, the beneficiaries are between 31 and 65 years old. They are all farmers and each received 50 kg of seed potatoes. In Kibasi, the beneficiaries were born between 1956 and 2001, representing an age range of approximately 25 to 70 years. They are farmers and each received 100 kg of seed potatoes. In Muhora 1, the beneficiaries were born between 1946 and 2002, corresponding to an age range of approximately 24 to 80 years. They are farmers and each received 50 kg of seed potatoes. In Muhora 2, the distribution targeted beneficiaries aged 23 to 70 years. They are either farmers or teachers and each received 50 kg of seed potatoes. In Kigama Mutsinda, the beneficiaries were born between 1956 and 2008, representing an age range of approximately 18 to 70 years. They are either farmers or students and each received 50 kg of seed potatoes. This distribution aims to promote agriculture production and support households across the different communities involved.